Smartwatch buyers are quietly abandoning Swiss luxury brands and choosing Japanese watches that deliver better technology, superior value, and equal or better quality for less money. The shift is happening silently because nobody wants to admit they wasted money on overpriced Swiss watches when Japanese alternatives offer more for less. From solar charging that Swiss brands can't match to spring drive technology that Rolex will never replicate, Japanese manufacturers are proving that innovation beats tradition. Watch forums, Reddit communities, and collector groups are filled with people discovering that Grand Seiko finishing rivals Rolex. Citizen technology surpasses Tag Heuer. Number 10. Seiko Prospex SPB 143, replacing Rolex Submariner. The Seiko Prospex SPB 143 costs $1,200 and delivers genuine ISO-certified dive watch capability that matches Submariner's 9,000-plus power specifications exactly. Both watches feature 200-meter water resistance with ISO certification, automatic movements, unidirectional bezels, and build quality suitable for professional diving worldwide. The SPB 143's 40.5mm case fits better on average wrists than Submariner's bulky 41mm, providing superior comfort during extended wearing throughout the day. The drilled lugs allow easy strap changes, creating versatility that Submariner's solid lugs deliberately prevent, limiting customization that enthusiasts value highly. The exhibition case back showcases the 6R35 movement, creating appreciation that Submariner's solid caseback denies to maintain Rolex mystique unnecessarily. Smart collectors realize paying 8 times more for Submariner buys crown logo and artificial scarcity rather than proportionally better diving capability. The SPB 143 proves that professional dive watch specifications don't require luxury pricing when Japanese manufacturers deliver honest value and quality. Number 9. Citizen Promaster. Tough BN021109X, replacing Panerai Luminor. The Citizen Promaster Tough costs $795 and delivers bold dive watch aesthetics with eco-drive solar that surpasses Panerai Luminor's $8,000 pricing. Both watches feature distinctive large cases, crown guards, and bold designs, creating substantial wrist presence that photographs dramatically for social media. The eco-drive solar charging runs indefinitely without maintenance, while Panerai requires expensive servicing every few years, maintaining mechanical movements throughout ownership. The 200-meter water resistance matches Luminor specifications, while the overall construction quality rivals Italian finishing at fraction of the absurd pricing. Smart buyers realize Panerai's appeal is purely aesthetic rather than technical, making the functional equivalence at 10% of price completely rational. The super titanium construction provides scratch resistance that Panerai's softer steel cannot match, maintaining pristine appearance throughout years of wearing. The Promaster Tough proves that bold Italian aesthetics don't require Italian luxury pricing when Japanese engineering delivers superior practicality. Number 8. Orient Bambino, replacing Omega De Ville. The Orient Bambino costs $180 and delivers elegant dress watch aesthetics with automatic movement rivaling Omega De Ville's $5,000 $8,000 pricing. Both watches feature domed crystals, applied indices, automatic movements, and refined proportions suitable for business and formal occasions throughout wearing. The Bambino's multi-layered dial creates visual depth that often exceeds De Ville's simpler dials, providing more interesting aesthetics at accessible pricing. The exhibition caseback reveals the automatic movement, creating mechanical appreciation, while De Ville often uses solid backs, hiding movements unnecessarily. Smart collectors realize dress watch appeal is primarily aesthetic rather than technical, making Orient's comparable appearance at 3% of price completely logical. The variety of dial colors and case finishes creates options that De Ville's limited configurations cannot match for personal expression. The Bambino proves that dress watch elegance and mechanical movements don't require Swiss luxury premiums when Japanese brands deliver honest value. Number 7. Seiko Presage Cocktail Time, replacing Jaeger-LeCoultre Master Ultra Thin. The Seiko Presage Cocktail Time costs $425 and delivers stunning artisanal dial work rivaling Jaeger-LeCoultre Master Ultra Thin's $8,000 $12,000 pricing. Both watches feature beautifully executed dials, automatic movements, slim profiles, and elegant aesthetics suitable for refined wearing throughout occasions. The Cocktail Time's multi-layered sunburst dial creates depth and visual interest that often rivals JLC's finishing at fraction of price. The exhibition caseback showcases the decorated automatic movement, while JLC often hides movements behind solid backs, denying appreciation unnecessarily. Smart collectors realize dial craftsmanship is Cocktail Time's standout feature, delivering artisanal quality that justifies comparison with luxury Swiss brands. The accessible pricing allows collecting multiple dial colors for less than one JLC, providing versatility that single expensive watch cannot offer. The cocktail time proves that artisanal dial work doesn't require Swiss luxury pricing when Seiko prioritizes aesthetic excellence. Number 6. Citizen Eco Drive 1, replacing Piaget Altiplano. The Citizen Eco Drive 1 costs $2,800 and achieves 6mm ultra-thin profile matching Piaget Altiplano's $20,000–$30,000 thickness specifications exactly. Both watches represent pinnacle of ultra-thin engineering, delivering elegant proportions and refined aesthetics suitable for formal wearing throughout occasions. The Eco Drive 1 requires zero maintenance and runs indefinitely with light exposure, while Altiplano needs expensive servicing and daily winding. The super titanium case provides vastly superior scratch resistance compared to Piaget's softer precious metals that show damage quickly. Smart collectors realize paying 10 times more for Piaget buys precious metal and brand prestige rather than proportionally better engineering. The 6-month power reserve in darkness exceeds any manual wind watch's capability, providing superior practicality alongside comparable aesthetics. The Eco Drive 1 proves that ultra-thin watchmaking doesn't require Swiss luxury pricing when Japanese innovation delivers superior technology. Number 5. Seiko King Seiko, replacing Rolex Oyster Perpetual. The Seiko King. Seiko costs $2,600 and revives legendary heritage with specifications and finishing rivaling Rolex Oyster Perpetual's $6,000 to $7,000 pricing. Both watches feature time-only simplicity, automatic movements, versatile aesthetics, and build quality suitable for daily wearing throughout occasions. The King Seiko's case finishing uses Zaratsu-like polishing, creating mirror surfaces that rival Rolex execution at accessible pricing. The exhibition case back reveals the decorated 6L35 movement, while Oyster Perpetual hides movement behind solid backs, maintaining mystique. Smart collectors recognize King Seiko delivers comparable aesthetic refinement and superior finishing visibility at half the Oyster Perpetual pricing. The variety of dial textures creates options that Oyster Perpetual's configurations cannot match for visual interest and personal expression. The King Seiko proves that refined time-only watches don't require crown logo when Japanese finishing rivals Swiss quality. Number 4. Grand Seiko Heritage SBGH281, replacing Rolex Explorer. The Grand Seiko Heritage SBGH281 costs $5,800 and delivers high-beat movement with superior finishing rivaling Rolex Explorer's $7,000, $8,000 pricing. Both watches feature versatile sizing, automatic movements, refined aesthetics, and build quality suitable for adventure and daily wearing throughout use. The high-beat 36,000 movement provides smoother second sweep and superior accuracy compared to Explorer's standard frequency movement specifications. The Zaratsu polishing creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly equal or exceed Explorer's finishing quality throughout case surfaces. Smart collectors realize Grand Seiko delivers objectively superior movement technology and comparable finishing at lower pricing than Explorer. The exhibition case back reveals the beautifully decorated high-beat movement, while Explorer hides movement, denying appreciation for watchmaking. The SBGH281 proves that adventure watches with superior technology don't require Rolex pricing when Grand Seiko delivers excellence. Number 3. Citizen Attesa, replacing Tag Heuer Carrera. The Citizen Attesa costs $1,500 and delivers super titanium construction with atomic timekeeping, rivaling Tag Heuer Carrera's $5,000, $6,000 pricing. Both watches feature sporty, elegant aesthetics, refined finishing, and versatile designs suitable for business casual wearing throughout various occasions. The super titanium provides 5 times stainless steel's scratch resistance, maintaining pristine appearance while Carrera shows wear marks quickly. The multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping maintains perfect accuracy that Carrera's mechanical movement cannot approach regardless of regulation and adjustment. Smart collectors realize Attesa delivers superior materials and better technology at fraction of Carrera's pricing without compromising aesthetics. The EcoDrive solar charging eliminates maintenance that Carrera requires every few years, providing worry-free ownership throughout decades. The Attesa proves that sporty, elegant watches with premium materials don't require Swiss luxury pricing when Japanese technology delivers superiority. Number 2. Grand Seiko Spring Drive SBGA 211, replacing Rolex Datejust. The Grand Seiko Spring Drive SBGA 211 costs $5,800 and delivers revolutionary spring drive technology rivaling Rolex Datejust's $10,000 $15,000 pricing. Both watches feature date complications, refined aesthetics, versatile sizing, and build quality suitable for dress casual wearing throughout occasions. The spring drive achieves 1 second per day accuracy with perfectly gliding seconds hand that Datejust cannot replicate through any mechanical means. The Zaratsu polishing creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly equal or exceed Datejust's finishing quality throughout case surfaces. Smart collectors realize spring drive represents technology that Rolex fundamentally cannot replicate at any price point, making comparison favor Grand Seiko. The textured snowflake dial demonstrates artisanal craftsmanship that Datejust's simpler dials cannot match for visual interest and complexity. The SPGA 211 proves that innovative technology and superior finishing don't require Rolex pricing when Grand Seiko delivers excellence. Number 1. Grand Seiko SLG-H05, replacing Rolex Day-Date. The Grand Seiko SLG-H05 costs $9,800 and delivers revolutionary high-beat movement with unprecedented finishing rivaling Rolex Day-Date's $36,000 $40,000 pricing. Both watches feature day-date complications, refined aesthetics, and build quality representing pinnacle of their respective manufacturers' capabilities. The 9SA5 high-beat movement achieves 80-hour power reserve through dual-impulse escapement, representing genuine innovation that Day-Date lacks. The Zaratsu polishing and hand beveling honestly exceed Day-Date's finishing quality when examined under magnification by knowledgeable collectors. Smart collectors realize Grand Seiko delivers objectively superior movement technology and finishing at 1/4 the Day-Date's absurd pricing. The textured white birch dial demonstrates artisanal craftsmanship that Day-Date's simple dials cannot match for visual sophistication. The SLG-H05 proves definitively that Japanese haute horology surpasses Swiss luxury in technology, finishing, and value when examined objectively. This watch represents the ultimate replacement better movement, better finishing, better value, making Day-Date's $40,000 pricing look like complete robbery.